lovers. Welcome to Home Inspiration Studios, your ultimate destination for innovative and stylish home solutions. Today, we're exploring the captivating world of prefab tiny homes design and ultimate guide to prefab tiny homes decor ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Prefab tiny homes design refers to the architectural style and construction method of building compact, portable dwellings using prefabricated components. These structures are assembled off-site, minimizing construction waste and environmental impact. Prefab tiny homes seamlessly blend sustainability, efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. The term prefab is short for prefabricated, meaning the home is constructed off-site in sections or modules, typically in a factory setting. These modules are then transported and assembled on the final building site. When combined with the tiny home concept, which emphasizes minimalist living in small-scale dwellings, we get prefab tiny homes. These structures are designed for efficiency, maximizing space and minimizing environmental impact. They represent a shift towards simpler, more sustainable lifestyles, often appealing to those seeking downsized living or affordable housing options. There are several compelling reasons to consider a prefab tiny home. Firstly, they offer significant cost savings compared to traditional construction. Factory production often leads to reduced labor costs and material waste. Secondly, prefab construction is notably faster. Because much of the building process occurs in a controlled factory environment, delays due to weather or scheduling conflicts are minimized. This translates to quicker move-in times. Thirdly, prefab construction often boasts higher quality control. Factory settings allow for precise measurements and consistent building practices, leading to fewer on-site errors. Lastly, prefab tiny homes are inherently more sustainable. Efficient use of materials in a factory setting reduces waste, and many prefab designs incorporate eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient features. Prefab tiny homes are incredibly versatile and can be used for various purposes. First, backyard accessory dwelling units. Provide extra living space for family members, guests, or as rental income. Second, vacation homes or cabins. Offer a cozy and affordable getaway in nature. Third, starter homes or downsizing options. Provide affordable and manageable housing solutions. Fourth, mobile offices or studios. Create dedicated workspaces separate from the main residence. Fifth, eco-friendly living. Promote sustainable living through smaller footprints and efficient design. The facade is the face of your tiny home, so careful design is essential. Here are a few key considerations. First, material selection. Choose materials that complement the surrounding environment and reflect your personal style. Wood siding offers a natural, rustic look, while metal siding provides a modern, industrial feel. Consider durable, low-maintenance options to minimize upkeep. Second, window placement. Maximize natural light and views by strategically placing windows. Large windows can create a sense of spaciousness, while smaller windows offer privacy and energy efficiency. Consider window styles that complement the overall design. Third, color palette. Select a cohesive color scheme that enhances the home's architectural features. Neutral tones create a timeless backdrop, while accent colors add personality and visual interest. Consider the surrounding landscape when choosing colors. Fourth, landscaping. Integrate your tiny home with its surroundings through thoughtful landscaping. Add pathways, plants, and outdoor seating areas to create a welcoming and inviting exterior. And to spark your imagination, here these the collection of the top 10 prefab tiny homes design ideas that you can use for your next project. 1. Minimalist haven. Characterized by clean lines, a monochromatic palette, and expansive windows, this design creates a serene atmosphere. Incorporates sleek furniture, subtle lighting, and natural textures for a cohesive look. 2. Rustic retreat. Warm earthy tones, reclaimed wood accents, and natural textures evoke a cozy, organic feel. Add vintage decor and lush greenery for a charming ambience. 3. Modern oasis. Sleek metal, glass accents, and industrial chic define this contemporary design. Incorporate bold color schemes, modern art, and innovative lighting. 4. Cozy cottage. Whimsical details, pastel hues, and floral patterns create a charming, vintage-inspired retreat. Soften the space with plush furnishings and warm lighting. 5. Eco-loft. Emphasize sustainability with eco-friendly materials, green roofs, and solar panels. Incorporate reclaimed wood, bamboo, and energy-efficient appliances. 6. Tiny tower. Vertically stacked designs maximize space while minimizing footprint. Incorporate floor-to-ceiling windows, industrial accents, and modern decor. 7. Seaside bungalow. Nautical colors, weathered wood, and ocean-inspired decor evoke a coastal vibe. Add shells, driftwood, and coral accents for authenticity. 8. Forest sanctuary. Earthy tones, natural materials, and immersive surroundings blend seamlessly into the environment. Incorporate large windows, organic textures, and earthy scents. 9. Urban nest. Compact, industrial designs adapt effortlessly to city living. Incorporate exposed brick, metal accents, and modern art for edgy sophistication. 10. Desert dome. Geodesic shapes, eco-friendly materials, and stunning vistas define this futuristic design. Incorporate solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and xeriscaping. Prefab tiny homes offer a compelling alternative to traditional housing, providing a blend of affordability, sustainability, and stylish living. By carefully considering design elements and exploring the various applications, you can create a tiny home that perfectly suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on Home Inspiration Studios. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the exciting world of prefab tiny homes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best prefab tiny house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.